Icon Educate in use by teachers at a government secondary school in Pathumi Thani, Thailand. The school was interested in integrating interactive whiteboards into their 3 English program classrooms, which would have cost $1,500 per classroom and required extensive setup, training, and maintenance. Icon Educate was able to integrate using the classroom's existing equipment, LCD projectors, and the purchase of 3 Apple TVs at a cost of $500. Teachers were able to quickly integrate their existing materials and lessons into Icon Educate's system while also taking advantage of other digital learning tools offered by Icon Educate for both in-class and at-home learning. Icon Educate provided the school with a cost-effective, feature-rich solution that was intuitive for their teachers and quickly integrated into their learning environment.
Who can tell me which ball of all of these has the most potential energy? Do you want to circle it? Yes, okay? So when something's at the top, it's going to have the most potential energy. So that's as tall as I am. Okay? So the pen's going to have the most potential energy here. If it's on the floor, how much potential energy does it have? Zero. Good. Yeah, it has no potential energy because it's not going to go anywhere. How much does an airplane in the sky have? 1 million, Vic says. The most. More than one. That's true. Okay? So I want you guys to remember that as you lift up an object, it's going to have more potential energy because of the gravitational potential energy. Okay?
Yes.
Gravity is going to act on it more. It's going to want to pull it down more. Yes.
How about in the moon? At the moon?
Oh, that's a great question.
What's the name of the story? Okay, so what does it mean, peace?
Santi.
Is that fighting or not fighting?
Not fighting.
ได้จริงจัง
ไอ้ปะเนี่ยแล้วมันเป็นรายการ
พอเจอแล้วเลยแล้ว
Alright, next. Next page. Right,
อ๋อ
page 206.
แอมเนี่ย
Alright, so what happened when one Indian died? What's it say? Who came? No, it means what? Nobody. Who's going to win? White people or Indians?
White people.
White people.
Everyone's favorite time. Now is we're going to use this piece of paper to prove this theorem, okay? To prove this rule in another way. All right, let's watch on.
The hypotenuse. Now there are many ways to prove this, but I'm going to show you guys the simplest version I know. And all you need is a piece of paper and some scissors. Let's start off by folding the paper down the middle hamburger style and
Okay, so now what we're going to do, everyone. So then minus b minus a squared. Okay? So next, what we need to do is we have to FOIL. We have to FOIL this. side, 280. 2AB, thank you very much.